Hey guys, I got sent over this 2-drawer filing cabinet for free to give you my honest opinion of it, see what I think about it, see how easy it is to put together, and see how sturdy it is. This is what it's supposed to look like when we get done, so let's get started. This next step is number 10. It's affixing it to the wall to keep it from falling over, but we're not going to do that one, so we're going to skip right on to step 11. Okay, now I'm going to repeat step 11 through 17 to do the other drawer, so I'll see y'all when I get that one done. Okay, now we are ready to put our drawers in here. It says to put the lock on the bottom drawer, because if you don't, it won't lock properly, it says. So you just slide this right on these. Should just slide in, find out. There we go. It does come with your keys for that lock. Flip up, lock, and I guess it'll catch the bottom. And on the lock, I don't know if you can see it or not, it's got a little piece right here that goes into the side. We'll get our other drawer, put in there, and wrap this thing up. There we go. I'm not real sure how good that would really be. If you could probably jerk it real hard and get it off, but you're probably going to damage it trying to do that, so we don't want to do that. Now I believe, just by looking, let me look at the instructions here. Yeah, we're going to bend some more tabs. I just got to thinking that drawer is going to come all the way out, but on the inside of your drawers, there's these pieces right here. These will bend out, and that catch right there to keep it from coming on out. So we'll get that done here. Just put it back in there, get it past there, and then bend them out. Now that drawer shouldn't come out. That'll stop right there. Okay, we got the drawers in, got everything bent around, showed you how to do the lock. I'm going to use that bottom drawer for storage, so I really don't need any file folders in there. But the top one, I'm going to use a few file folders. Just put them in there. These edges will hang on the edge of the drawer. Just like that. There you go. Okay, just in case you're curious, it is 14 7/8 of an inch wide. Might as well say 15 inches. And the height on it is about 25 1/4. And the depth on it is, well, 18 inches to the edge, and then you need to add another inch or so for the handle, so about 19 1/4, counting the handles. And it is fairly light. You'll be able to move it around when it's empty. Once you get it loaded, it's going to be heavier. But you can move it around like this. I'm going to get it moved where I need to put it, and I'll show you what it looks like. Well, there you have it. This is where I'm going to put it. I've got things like this that I'm going to just throw down here in the bottom drawer so I can keep up with it, and I'll know where it's at. And of course, like I said, I'm going to put piles up here in the top. So, definitely a thumbs up. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Hey, I am an Amazon Associates. Any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.